Welcome everyone, I am Neeraj Kumar Kathal. In this video, we are talking about immunoglobulins. What are the immunoglobulins? Why immunoglobulins are important to us? What are the types, structure and functions of immunoglobulins? All this stuff in a very short duration with a proper and easy way. Let's start the topic immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins, also known as antibodies. Antibodies are produced by immune system. They protect us from harmful foreign bodies like bacteria, virus, etc. Immunoglobulins are specific to each type of foreign bodies. Immunoglobulins attaches harmful foreign bodies and destroy them. Immunoglobulins are Y-shaped large glycoprotein molecules produced by plasma cells. Immunoglobulins are occurring in two forms: soluble immunoglobulins and membrane-bound immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulin type, structure and functions. 5 types of immunoglobulins are present. These are immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin D. We have a trick to remember this GAMED in a sequence, GAMED. G for IgG, A for IgA, M for IgM, E for IgE, D for IgD. Let's discuss about immunoglobulin G. Immunoglobulin G is a most abundant type of immunoglobulin, approximately 75% of the total immunoglobulin in serum. Structure: made by 4 polypeptide chains, in which 2 identical heavy chains, 2 identical light chains. So tetrameric quaternary structure. Functions: immunoglobulin G binds and neutralizes toxins. Immunoglobulin G associated with type 2 and type 3 hypersensitivity reactions. Immunoglobulin G can cross human placenta to provide passive immunity to fetus. Next type, immunoglobulin A. Immunoglobulin A is the second most common serum immunoglobulin, approximately 15%. Structure: H-chain type structure. Occurs in two types, IgA1 and IgA2. Immunoglobulin A found in mucus secretions like tears, saliva, sweat, colostrum, GIT, prostate and respiratory epithelium. Functions of immunoglobulin A. It provides protection against microbes that multiply in body secretions. It inhibits inflammatory effects of other immunoglobulins. Next, immunoglobulin M. Immunoglobulin M is the largest immunoglobulin, third most common serum immunoglobulin. It is the first immunoglobulin that is secreted after infection. Immunoglobulin M is produced by B cells. Structure: it contains pentamer or hexamer structure. Immunoglobulin M is a polymer where multiple immunoglobulins are linked together by strong covalent bonds known as disulfide bonds. Functions: helps in eliminating pathogens, helps in diagnosis. If it is present in fetus or newborn, indicates intrauterine infections such as syphilis or HIV, etc. Next, immunoglobulin E. Structure: its monomer contain 2 heavy chains and 2 light chains. Immunoglobulin E level in blood serum is 0.05%. Functions of immunoglobulin E. It triggers histamine release, protects against parasitic worms, involves in allergic and hypersensitivity. Next, immunoglobulin D. Found in very small amounts, about 0.25%. Function: its function are not clearly known, may function as antigen receptor on B cell surface. Structure: immunoglobulin D exists only as a monomer. Immunoglobulin D contains heavy chain delta and light chain K. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.